Hi. Uh, the, I'm gonna teach you how to do the lane. So everyone watching me how to like this, like that, and I will speak in Tagalog, but do not listen English English. I'll speak in Tagalog in English. To people live in Philippines and people who live in English in America will speak in English today. So first I'm gonna speak in English. Hi again. My name is Chloe and welcome back to Jing Bustamante's video. And today I'm gonna teach you how to like this. Like that. And now let's get started. The first you get to do is put your two fingers in your side eyes, like that. And if you put it there and put a big eyes like that, and then see this, see like that, you can see. So that's for it. That's the simple. What is this? The simple eyes that you can do. And for Filipinos. Hi mga puso. Ito ako pala si Chloe. Ayun. Ito may papakita ko sa inyo kung paano maging duling. Unang-una noon, kailangan mo yung dalawang mata mo, na yung dalawang daliri mo sa gilid ng mga mata mo. Laki naman yung mga mata mo. Tignan mo ito ng mabuti para kunyari parang duling talaga. Sige, paalam. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.